Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with just a few essentials: updated iOS, Wi-Fi, and your carrier's ESIM info. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan. This begins the activation flow. Once you tap Add, choose Scan QR code if you have one, or select Enter Details manually to paste the SMDP Plus and activation code. Make sure to stay on Wi-Fi while the phone contacts the carrier. This speeds validation and avoids errors. Now proceed to scan or enter information. Once you scan the QR or fill manual fields, your iPhone negotiates provisioning with the carrier. This is why accuracy matters. You'll be prompted to label the new plan. Pick something clear like primary or travel so you can identify it. Next, choose which line handles voice, text, and cellular data. You can set one for data and the other for calls. Make sure data roaming is enabled only when needed. After confirming choices, your iPhone will finalize the ESIM profile and show it as active. Finish by verifying the new plan shows as active with signal bars. If you don't see service, restart the iPhone first. Often a reboot completes activation. Then set your default line for iMessage and FaceTime in their settings, and assign cellular data or call preferences under cellular. If activation still fails, reset network settings as a next step and contact your carrier with the ESIM details. Sometimes they must finalize provisioning on their side. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most stubborn activation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.